Alright, we're back in the repotting dungeon once again because it's raining outside and I don't want to do it out there. So I got these little ash trees which I dug up in a parking lot last year, I believe, which is where I get a lot of my trees. But I grew them out in this little thing and they grew out pretty well, much better than I thought they would. So I'm going to plant them into like a clump or something here. And we'll get them going. It's going to be a short video. There's a bunch of them. They actually grew out kind of good. They're fairly thick. This one's kind of crooked, so I think I'm going to take these 5 and put them in this clump and then do something with that individual one. This is a bowl that I got at the thrift store. I drilled some holes in it. We're going to use it for this. Get these bad boys out here. You can see they're leafing out. I think they're pretty much completely filling this. Yep. Dollar store bin with roots. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. These are tiny. I mean, they were like that big when I put them in here. Pretty good roots. Oh, that one's got a cool root base. I can just pull them apart. Huh. Yeah, that looks cool looking. Maybe I should leave them like this. Just stick them in there and let them grow. They don't like that arrangement though. I can't do that. Oh, the soil's not awful. We're gonna mess with them. Look at that. Look at the taper that thing got. That's wild. Things grew pretty good. There's no finesse there, was there? Got pretty nice radial roots growing for what they're doing here. That's some big roots on the bottom we should probably cut out. Bam. Big boy have a thing. Huh? Nice and flat. What do we got here? Huh? Pretty good. Pull it up out of the ground a little bit. Show off some of that fatness. I do the same with this one. Trees are wild. It's crazy how fat they got at the base. How weird their roots are growing also. These cutters are not great for this. It's not good. This one root is growing in a weird direction. I don't really like it. Not that it matters in a planting like this too much, but I don't like it. This one's screwed up. Oh, you see, actually, maybe the little one is going back. I think I like that. Look at it again, make sure. Pretty wild looking. I think I might keep it like that. I like the soil they're in. They seem to like it. I'll mix some of it in. It almost looks too symmetrical. I don't know if I like it. They just need to be closer together. The base. Just let them grow out and see what happens. more funky. I think that's the planting. There it is. It's ash trees in a clump. We've got this one, and I'm just gonna stick in the pot alone because it's got some pretty good movement. It's pretty cool. And we'll see what it does. I'll put it in a big pot and let it grow out. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. Okay, here are those ash trees just a couple weeks later outside, all leafed out and doing great. Here's the one that was by itself. Yeah, it's actually looking kind of cool. I don't know what this is growing in there. It's gone. Another one. Yeah, doing good. Huge leaves.